This is an enhancement of a frame from a video recorded inside my house. Look at the pattern that is there. Look at that. I told you that that was the same exact pattern in micro size. Look, there's the hands right there. Look, the same exact pattern as the galaxy. This is something that it took me long time to figure out. These are fingers. I mean, you have to just, like I say, you enhance that vibrational deal. The camera can see this, we cannot. For some freaking reason, we just cannot. But the camera does. Look, that's the pattern right there. Look. That's what this is. Now look at this. Look, the exact same pattern of hands going like that. There's another. The bright galaxy makes the fingernails of that hand. It's insane, but it is. I mean, you can look at it any which way you want. Look, in fact, check this out. Look at the micro pattern in the picture created by the camera. Oh shit. It's gotta be taking the color off. Because the blue overpowers the there. Check this out. You see that micro pattern? That's created by the camera. Look, and it's exactly as the one created by the galaxies. Look at that. So if you cannot discern this pattern, look at the hands right there, protruding from within the depth of that deal. But check it out, when you enhance the image, look what's there. That's the pattern that is the camera's recording between the camera and the screen. This pattern. Look at that. That's exactly like the one on the picture of the galaxy. Look. Now look at this. That's the pattern, look. On the wall of my house. But that's not the wall, that's in between the wall and the camera, this pattern. Look, I'm gonna play it. That's why I was doing that demonstration. See, look. You see how that crystalline deal between the camera and the screen is this same exact pattern, but in micro sizes. So we're swimming in this reality, that pattern. Look, it's the exact same one as the galaxies. Look, right there. That pattern, that's no pixels. That has nothing to do with pixels. They're not square. That's a square, that's square, that's a square. These are not, they're 2D and they have the same pattern of hands in every direction. That pattern. See how they go like that? And the next one, and the next one, but there's so many of them. Like I say, only a guy could create something like that complex and perfect that matches in every which way you look at it. So that's the pattern right there. Look at that. The same pattern as the galaxy. And this is between the camera, that's the vibration deal that the camera sees. Look at the pattern. It's exactly as the one of the galaxy. See the two videos right there? Those are fingers. Look, there is another one right there. One this way, the other finger, and the other one. Sometimes you find one hand that it looks exactly, but there's so many of them intersecting in so many ways. It's because it's three-dimensional. And that's what makes it difficult to spot. But once you know that geometry, then you see, wow, man, look at the knuckles. I mean, it's exactly like a hand. There's no other pattern there. That right there, look. Look at the finger right there. But it has another one that comes from the side, another one like this. It's turning into an incredibly complex shit that you say, what? But once you start seeing the pattern in galaxies and on the moon and the crystalline deal, then you see, oh, this is exactly like that one. And what is that about? Then you start seeing, wow, that's a finger, that's a hand. And you find one of them that look exactly like a hand, and then you see that there is another hand protruding from the side, on the top, underneath, behind. That's what is so complex, but perfect. Look at that one right there. And check it out. That's what that is. That's the pattern that I see in the cameras. But we don't see it with our own eyes. It's impossible. I guess because the signal, the image form in the eye, in eyeball, and by the time it transmits through the optic nerve into the brain, that deal is lost. It dissipates. It's not possible to decode that good. The camera don't have that. They see what they see and that's it. See, that's the pattern that is there in the micro size, right here. Like that, that's what that is. See, look at that. In 3-dimensional. The exact same pattern as the galaxy.